Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install VirtualBox 7.2 on PopOS 22. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Then click on download or download, either is fine. So click on download. See here the latest release is 7.2. Okay, so select Linux distributions. See here we don't have the PopOS, but open terminal. Verify the version /etc os-release. See, ID is like Ubuntu and Ubuntu code name is Jemmy. Jemmy means it is Ubuntu 22.04. So click on this Ubuntu 22.04 to download. See, download started and its size is 109 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download is completed. Go to terminal, then go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the VirtualBox Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then give virtual again, then press the tab to autofill enter Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, this failed to install because this dependency is not installed. So install this. Copy this dependency, this library. Copy it. Sudo apt install. Then paste it. See, this library installed. Now install VirtualBox. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. Then see here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. See, you got the VirtualBox. Let me maximize it. Now verify the version. Go to help. Then about VirtualBox. See here its version number is 7.2.0. If you want to create virtual machine, click on new or machine and select new, both are same. Then we have to fill all these details. Okay. If you want to open existing virtual machine, you have to click on open and select the virtual machine. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install VirtualBox 7.2.0 on PopOS 22. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.